a big fan of stuff like this becoming more affordable and more commonplace. BlackSmith has done some great things with the design on this. I feel like it provides ample storage room for probably most folks. I know a lot of us that are heavy into guns may not be able to get everything in here that we would like. They say it's a 6-gun safe. Looking at it, you could probably get 4, maybe 5 rifles in it, and of course the 2 handgun spots. And that's just for this main compartment. If you wanted to keep something up here, there's certainly nothing stopping. So for starters, I've got it upstairs. There's a level. We live here. It's not always perfect and tidy, but I've got it upstairs for right now, and part of that is my normal safes are stored in a room that locks. So when I get ready to go deer hunting in the morning, it can be quite a bit of noise for me to get out the door and grab my rifle. So what I've been using this for right now is in the morning, I can just quietly hit that biometric, grab my rifle that's in there, and go about business. So when you open it, you got a little storage shelf here. I stuck a pistol there. This has 2 sleeves in the door, so I stuck my Emperor Scorpion 1911 in there, extra magazine, and then I keep the keys for this top compartment in there normally. It does have a light that comes on, 4 AA's to power it, and you can tell by the locking bolts, this is not just a quick little swing bar. You've got 3 bolts on this side, another little pocket down there in the bottom. There's a kid's tablet I confiscated. Parenting win, right? So that's in there until they earn it back. Good times. So that's it for this compartment. Up here, there's a case of 100 rounds of birdshot, just to give you an idea. But this one is a much simpler locking mechanism, but for ammo or accessories, works out well there. So rather robust construction. We'll show you again in here. You do have backup keys. You got a few different ways to open this. You can do a pin pad number or biometrics or final fail-safe keys. So if batteries were to die, you're not completely locked out. There's a feature that will let you know if somebody's trying to get in that shouldn't be as well. One of the awesome things about electronics and their progression here is just how crazy these biometrics have gotten. They're relatively inexpensive these days. And I have this programmed right now for me and my wife, but I don't have it programmed for, say, my pinky finger. So, fail, fail. Now we got an alarm that will let you know if somebody's trying to get in there that shouldn't be. I'm surprised my German Shepherd's not going nuts right now. But that is, spoke too soon. Here she comes. Hopefully nobody's touching it that's not supposed to. But you can turn that off if you didn't want that on. I think it's a cool feature. So there's that. And there's stickers that are still on it, tip over hazard. It does have bolts. I have not bolted this to the wall yet. Part of that is because of where it's going to end up.